Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Confirm your iPhone supports live photos and that iOS is current, because older builds can block the feature. Next, pick the live photo you want in Photos or a short video you'll convert. Make sure your device is charged or plugged in so animation and editing aren't restricted. Once done, open Settings then Wallpaper, or go directly to the photo to begin setting it as a live wallpaper. This avoids back and forth and gets you into the editor fast. Now you'll convert or refine the image so the phone can animate it. If you have a live photo, tap Edit in Photos and trim the clip, pick the key photo, and confirm Live is on. That ensures clean motion. If you only have a video, use the Shortcuts app or a quick convert function to make a live photo. This is efficient and keeps quality high. Make sure your clip is short. 1 to 3 seconds works best, so the lock screen animation feels smooth and doesn't drain resources. Finish by applying the live photo as your lock screen. From Photos, choose Share, Use as Wallpaper, then Position, Crop, and Set as lock screen. Make sure live photo is selected before you tap Set. Once set, press the lock screen to see the effect. Turn perspective zoom off if you prefer no parallax. If the animation doesn't play, ensure Settings Accessibility Motion Reduce Motion is off and live photo is still enabled. And then restart the phone. This fixes most glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.